So what's in the case? This kit contains everything you need to demo the solution in a Pelican-style carrying case. It includes 3 Lenovo Mirage Solo student headsets with hand controllers. These are the first wireless all-in-one VR headsets with Google's Daydream platform. Each headset comes with 3 VR nature videos from the Wild Immersion, endorsed by Jane Goodall, showcasing African, Amazonian, and Asian wildlife. You also get the Google Expeditions app, but please note the field trips are not preloaded and you will need to download them in advance. You'll also have 1 Lenovo Android teacher tablet. Each tablet's preloaded with the Google Expeditions app and 10 Scholastic lesson plans. Again, while the app is preloaded, you will need to download the field trips in advance. The headsets and tablet are all tied together by the Ruckus R510 Unleashed wireless access point. For more details, be sure to watch the support videos at support.lenovo.com/VR classroom. Thank you.